this light show? Who said, I want this other group? Who said, we've got to play closing night? Who said, it can't be on the marquee? Nobody else except Santana. And the Grateful Dead have been around for a while, and Quicksilver's been around for a while. Changing of the times began to create a negative pall over everything. The young people had everything over the years. They'd seen everybody over the years. And they'd also been surrounded by a world that never really became what they wanted it to become. The utopia never came. The streets were never full of flowers.
White bird dreams of the aspen tree with its dying leaves turning gold. But the white bird.
And this created a negativism, a defeatism, and a lot of the joy went out of the people who never made an attempt to change a lot of the things. They went around putting down the reality around them rather than relating to that reality. And when they tried to change it but couldn't create any change, a bitterness set in and a demand set in. We want more, and we want it now. And if we want to go into a place, somebody tells us not to, we will. Because we're the people. Might makes right. And the flowers wilted, and the scene changed, and the people reverted back to a way of life that always was before, having lived through the disappointment of the flower generation.
She must fly.